Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove watermark in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show that remove watermark in Google Sheets. Firstly, I can see. Then I show Google Sheets from the watermark. This watermark is from the remove. Now click for the watermark. Is the from text. Now for click, then click for the three dot option. Now for click. Then click for the image option. That's it. Then I show remove watermark in Google Sheets is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.